This video is on how to register as a legal heir of deceased person. As per the requirements of the Income Tax Act, in case of a death of a person, the legal representative or the legal heir is required to pay any sum which the deceased would have been liable to pay if the person would not have died. Therefore, the legal representative or the legal heir is required to file income tax return on behalf of the deceased for the income earned by the deceased as a representative assessee of the deceased person. In order to register as a legal heir, you are required to have a valid e-filing user ID and password of your own. Let us now look at step by step how do we register as a legal heir on the e-filing portal. So first of all, log into the e-filing portal using your login ID and password. Post login, you are required to go to the Authorized Partners tab and click on Register as Representative Assessee. On Register as Representative Assessee page, go through the instructions carefully and then click on Let's Get Started. Here you can see all your active requests as well as inactive requests. In order to create a new request, you are required to click on plus Create New Request. Here you are required to give the category of assessee who you want to represent. So if you want to register as a legal heir of deceased, you can select that as a category and then click on Continue button. Now you are required to enter the mandatory details and upload the mandatory attachments. The mandatory details are PAN. The name as per PAN and the date of birth will get auto-populated. You are required to give the date of death, the reason for registration, details of all the legal heirs. You are also required to give the details of the bank account of the legal heir. Also, you are required to attach the copy of the PAN card of the deceased, copy of death certificate, copy of the legal heir proof as per the norms. In case you want to file an appeal against an order which has been passed in the name of deceased, you are required to attach a copy of the order passed in the name of the deceased. The copy of letter of indemnity is, however, an optional attachment. Once all the details have been provided, click on Continue button. An OTP will be sent on your mobile number and email ID registered on the e-filing portal. You can verify using the OTP. Thereafter, you would be getting a success message that your request has been submitted successfully and will be processed by the Income Tax Department within 7 days. You can click on View Request to view your request. Once the request will be approved by the Income Tax Department, you would be notified on your mobile number as well as email ID. You can then log into the e-filing portal with your login ID and password, and in the profile section you can switch to representative assessee as legal heir. Registering a legal heir